When it comes to the naming convention in CakePHP for database tables, it's pretty straightforward. All the table names will correspond to the model name. The only difference is that the table name will be plural. All table names are lowercase. We also use the underscore to separate multiple words. For example, if we have a model named pastry, our table would be pastries, plural and all lowercase. If we have a model named puff pastry, our table name would be puff underscore pastries. Everything is lowercase and pastries is pluralized. When we name the table fields, all tables should have a primary key, and that primary key is ID, all lowercase. All fields are all lowercase as well, and we separate the words with an underscore. So for example, if we have a field name title, it would just be title all lowercase. And if we wanted to specify a cake name, we would have it cake underscore name with the underscore separating the two words. When we join tables, we join them with foreign keys. For CakePHP, they want the singular version of the table name followed by underscore ID. For example, if we have the cakes table and it's being referenced in another table, the foreign key would be cake underscore ID. The same if we had a puff pastries table. The table already has an underscore, and when we reference it in another table, we'll keep that underscore and we just singular the second word. So in this case it would be puff underscore pastry underscore ID. The has and belongs to many table, or also known as the many-to-many table, has naming conventions as well. The table itself will be named after the tables that are being joined together. The tables are listed in alphabetical order, and they're separated by an underscore. We keep the pluralization of the table names, and we keep everything lowercase. So for example, if we have a cakes table and an ingredients table, the many-to-many table would be called cakes underscore ingredients. C comes before I in the alphabet, so the cakes table would be first, followed by underscore and then ingredients. Let's go ahead and create a table in our database for our items. I have phpMyAdmin installed, so I'm just going to open up a browser, and mine is located at localhost phpMyAdmin. Here's the home page of phpMyAdmin. You'll notice our list of databases over here in the left-hand column. I have one named Catalog that I created during the installation of CakePHP. You'll notice that there's no tables in my catalog database. For the sake of time, I'm just going to go ahead and walk you through my SQL query to create my table. So I have it saying create table, and the table that we want to create is items. This is the plural form of my model, which is called item. I have my primary key, it's all lowercase ID. Then I have a title, and you'll notice that it's lowercase. I have my year, all lowercase, and my length, all lowercase, and the description of the product. Everything's lowercase. So we're going to go ahead and click go. Now if we come back over to the structure, you'll see that we have a new table named items. We have just created a table with proper field names based off the CakePHP naming convention.